Substitution method, simultaneous equations. Okay. You can't solve them because there's two things you don't know. There's nothing you can do there that's going to help you do that. This method that we're about to do is going to eliminate something that you don't know so that you can actually solve it. So the substitution method means I take one of my equations and I substitute it into the other equation to get rid of one of the things I don't know. So in this case, in my two equations, the second equation says y is equal to this. So if I replace the y here with this information, because they're the same thing, that removes the y, it leaves only x's, which means I can find out what x is worth. So if I write 3x minus 2 bracket, and then replace the y with 24 minus 4x, which is equal to 29. Okay, now I start to, now that I've done that, I can see that there's only one unknown, which is the x. The y is not there anymore. And so I start to expand and solve. 2 times 24, negative 2 times 24 is negative 48. Negative 2 times negative 4x is positive 8x. X is on one side, numbers on the other side. Minus 48, which means I add 48 on both sides, which makes that 0, which gives me 29 plus 48 is 77, and 3x plus 8x is 11x. 11 x's is 77, which means an x is 7 because I'm dividing both sides by 11. Now that I have x equals 7, I can use this in either of these equations to find out what y is. So I'll just use the second equation and I'll put the 7 where the x is. Y is equal to 24 minus 4 bracket 7 is equal to 24 minus 28 equals to minus 4. So now I have what x is and what y is using the substitution method.